So in this video, I'm going to explain what are the general interview questions posed by different companies. It's in general questions I want to give at one platform. It's more useful to the candidates who appearing the interviews related to mechanical engineering. What is mechanical engineering? There is so many questions, answers may be expecting. Here I'm giving that one answer. Mechanical engineering is a field of engineering that involves design, development, and analysis of mechanical systems such as machines, tools, and devices, etc. It also motivates for pursuing mechanical engineering, such as a passion for problem solving, a desire to work on innovative projects, or an interest in designing and improving mechanical systems. So in the world, anything you want to manufacturing, that mechanical engineering requirement is there. Okay. So without mechanical engineering, it's that concept. It's a very difficult to manufacturing any product. So this is the one answer. Like so many answers we may frame. Next question. What are some common areas of specialization in mechanical engineering? Some common areas of specialization in mechanical engineering include aerospace engineering, automotive engineering, robotics, material science, energy systems, etc. So many others are specializations related to the mechanical engineering. What are the essential skills for a mechanical engineer? Essential skills for a mechanical engineer include problem solving, critical thinking, technical writing, communication, creativity, and project management. These are some of the skills are expecting by the any employer. What are the some common software tools used in mechanical engineering? Some common software tools used in mechanical engineering include CAD, that is a computer aided design software, FEA, finite element analysis software, computer aided manufacturing software, and simulation software. Like so many softwares are nowadays are available, at least being a mechanical engineer, you should know at least one software to create a model and one software to perform the analysis, one software related to manufacturing, sufficient at the big level. What is CAD? Computer aided design software. CAD software is used by mechanical engineers to create 2D and 3D models of mechanical systems. It allows designers to visualize and test their designs before they are manufactured. What is the FEA software? Finite element analysis software. FEA software is used by mechanical engineers to analyze the behavior of mechanical systems under different loading conditions. It allows designers to predict how their designs will perform and identify potential issues. What is CAM? Computer Aided Manufacturing Software. CAM software is used by mechanical engineers to create instructions for manufacturing processes such as milling, turning, drilling, grinding, polishing, etc. It allows designers to optimize the manufacturing process for efficiency and accuracy. What is simulation software? Simulation software is used by mechanical engineers to simulate the behavior of mechanical systems under different conditions. It allows designers to test their designs and evaluate their performance before they are manufactured. What are some common manufacturing processes used in mechanical engineering? So, some common manufacturing processes used in mechanical engineering include machining, casting, molding, welding, and additive manufacturing. What is additive manufacturing? Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, is a process of creating three-dimensional objects by adding layers of materials. It is a fast and cost-effective manufacturing process that is used in many mechanical engineering applications. Can you explain the difference between stress and strain? Stress refers to the force acting on a material, while strain is the material response to that force, typically resulting in deformation. Stress is often measured in units of force per unit area, while strain is measured as a change in length or shape divided by the original length or shape, and there is no units for strain. How do you ensure that your designs meet safety standards? Safety is a critical consideration in mechanical engineering design. Candidates should describe their experience with industry standards and regulations, as well as their approach to risk analysis and testing to ensure that their designs meet safety requirements. Can you explain the difference between torque and horsepower and how they relate to mechanical engineering? Torque is a measure of rotational force, while horsepower is a measure of power. In mechanical engineering, torque is important for designing rotating systems such as engines and motors, while horsepower is important for determining the amount of power a system can generate. The relationship between torque and horsepower is that horsepower is calculated by multiplying torque by rotational speed. How do you determine the best materials to use for a particular project? Selecting the right materials for a project is a crucial in mechanical engineering. Candidates should demonstrate their knowledge of material properties and their experience with selecting materials based on factors such as strength, durability, and cost. Can you explain the principles of thermodynamics and their applications in mechanical engineering? Thermodynamics is the study of energy and its transformations. Mechanical engineers use the principles of thermodynamics to design and analyze systems that involve the transfer of heat and energy, such as engines, refrigeration systems, and power plants. How do you approach solving complex engineering problems? Problem solving is a crucial skill for mechanical engineers. Candidates can explain their approach to analyzing the problems, breaking them down into smaller components, and using creative solutions to arrive at effective designs. How you ever faced a situation where design you worked on did not perform as expected? How did you handle it? This question assesses the candidate's ability to troubleshoot problems and manage setbacks. So candidates can describe how they analyzed the root cause of the problem, developed alternative solutions, and collaborated with other team members to implement a fix. Can you explain the difference between static and dynamic analysis in mechanical engineering? Static analysis is used to analyze the structures and systems at rest, while dynamic analysis considers the response of a system to external forces or motion. Candidates to demonstrate their understanding of these concepts and their experience using analysis tools to optimize their designs. How do you stay current with industry trends and new technologies in mechanical engineering? Staying current with industry trends and new technologies is crucial for mechanical engineers. Candidates can describe their approach to staying informed, such as attending conferences and workshops, reading industry publications, and collaborating with colleagues. Can you describe your experience with CAD software and which programs you are proficient in using? CAD software is used extensively in mechanical engineering design. Candidates should demonstrate their proficiency with industry standard software such as SolidWorks, CATIA, AutoCAD, uh, EdgeCam. Like several the softwares are available now in the market, and their ability to use these tools to create detailed designs. How do you ensure that a product you design is cost effective and can be manufactured efficiently? Designing a cost effective and manufacturable product is essential in mechanical engineering. Candidates can describe their approach to cost analysis, identifying cost drivers, and collaborating with manufacturing teams to optimize designs for efficiency and production. Can you explain the role of tolerance analysis in mechanical engineering design? Tolerance analysis is a critical aspect of mechanical engineering design, ensuring that the components of a system fit together properly and function as intended. Candidates can describe their experience with the tolerance analysis tools such as GD&T, that is the geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, and their approach to ensuring right tolerances where necessary. Can you give an example of a project you worked on that involved collaboration with other engineers or departments? How did you ensure effective communication and teamwork? Very important question. So the collaboration is a vital aspect of mechanical engineering design, and candidates should describe their experience working with other engineers or departments. They can discuss their approach to communication and teamwork, ensuring that all team members have a clear understanding of project requirements and deadlines. How do you approach designing for manufacturability? Designing for manufacturability involves considering factors such as materials, processes, and assembly methods to ensure that product can be manufactured efficiently and cost effectively. Candidates can describe their experience with manufacturing processes and their approach to optimize designs for manufacturing. Can you describe a team when you had to troubleshoot a mechanical problem and how you went about resolving it? Troubleshooting mechanical problem is a crucial skill for mechanical engineers. Candidates can describe a specific example of problem they solved, such as diagnosing a malfunctioning engine or identifying the cause of a system failure. They can discuss their approach to troubleshooting, including the tools and techniques they used to identify and resolve the. How do you approach designing for sustainability and what factors do you consider in your designs? Designing for durability and reliability is essential in mechanical engineering. To ensure that my designs meet these requirements, I consider factors such as load capacity, fatigue life, and wear resistance. I also conduct testing and analysis to evaluate the performance of the design under different conditions, and I use feedback form, users and maintenance teams to identify areas for improvement. Can you discuss your experience with fluid mechanics and how it applies to mechanical engineering design? Fluid mechanics is a critical area of mechanical engineering, particularly in applications such as hydraulics, aerodynamics, and heat transfer. In my experience, I have used fluid mechanics principles to design systems such as pumps, piping systems, and heat exchangers. I use software such as ANSYS Fluent to model and analyze the behavior of fluids in these systems. Can you describe your experience with manufacturing processes such as machining, casting, and molding? Manufacturing processes are an important consideration in mechanical engineering design. I have experience with processes such as machining, casting, and molding, and I consider factors such as cost, efficiency, and material properties when selecting a manufacturing process for a given application. I also collaborate closely with manufacturing teams to ensure that my designs can be produced efficiently and to the required quality standards. How do you approach designing for sustainability and what factors do you consider in your designs? Designing for sustainability is an increasingly important consideration in mechanical engineering. In my designs, I consider factors such as energy efficiency, material sustainability, and end-of-life disposal. I also collaborate with sustainability experts to identify best practices and incorporate sustainability principles into my designs. Can you discuss your experience with quality control and assurance and how you ensure that your designs meet quality standards? So quality control and assurance are critical aspects of mechanical engineering design. To ensure that my designs meet quality standards, I conduct rigorous testing and analysis using industry standard tools and methodologies. I also collaborate closely with quality control teams to identify any potential issues and implement corrective action. How do you approach designing for ergonomics and what factors do you consider in your designs? Designing for ergonomics is important in mechanical engineering, particularly in applications such as consumer products and industrial equipment. In my design, I consider factors such as user comfort, ease of use, and accessibility. I also use modeling and simulation tools to evaluate the ergonomics of my designs under different conditions. Can you describe your experience with electromechanical systems such as motors and sensors? I have experience with electromechanical systems such as motors and sensors. In my designs, I consider factors such as power requirements, control systems, and reliability. I also collaborate closely with electrical engineers to ensure that my designs integrate seamlessly with the electrical system. Can you discuss your experience with project budgeting and cost estimation and how you ensure that your designs are cost effective? So budgeting and cost estimation are important considerations in mechanical engineering design. To ensure that my designs are cost effective, I consider factors such as materials, manufacturing processes, and assembly methods. I also collaborate. What is a heat exchanger? Heat exchanger is a device used to transfer heat from one fluid to another fluid, typically using a series of metal plates or tubes. What is a gear ratio? Gear ratio is the ratio of number of teeth on two interlocking gears. Gear ratio are used to control the speed and torque of mechanism. What is a thermodynamic cycle? A thermodynamic cycle is a series of processes that occur in a closed system to convert heat into work or vice versa. So common thermodynamic cycles include Carnot cycle and Rankine cycle. What is a CNC mission? A CNC mission is a computer controlled mission that uses precision tools to cut, shape or form material. CNC machines are commonly used in manufacturing and machining. What is the difference between a bolt and a screw? Bolts are used to join two or more objects together, while screws are used to hold objects in place. Bolts have a threaded shank with a nut that secures the joint. How do you ensure that your designs meet safety standards? Safety is a critical consideration in mechanical engineering design. Candidates should describe their experience with industry standards and regulations, as well as their approach to risk analysis and testing to ensure that their designs meet safety requirements. Can you explain the principles of thermodynamics and their applications in mechanical engineering? Thermodynamics is the study of energy and its transformations. Mechanical engineers use the principles of thermodynamics to design and analyze systems that involve the transfer of heat and energy, such as engines, refrigeration systems, and power plants, etc. So these are the commonly that posed questions I try to explain in this video. In the coming video, a specific topic wise, what are the questions they will ask that will be um, give the recording and place in YouTube channel. Okay, thank you one and all.